Thank you.
Bring the action.
What's up, YouTube? J-Mart back at Chick-fil-A for a new menu item. And I don't even know what it is. I know what it is, but I don't know what it's called. This is the Honey Pimento Sandwich. And it comes with our original Chick-fil-A filet, drizzled with honey, topped with pimento cheese, served on a warm toasted bun with pickled jalapenos. Sounds pretty good to me, guys. The bag. 3 napkins, the perfect amount. A side of mac and cheese with bacon added. Fork, plastic, single use only. The Honey Pimento Sandwich. And I got this with the spicy chicken fillet. Before we go any further, the deadly, the elusive, the invisible napkin. I'm already sticky again. Evidently, or is it apparently? Apparently, evidently. Well, I can see it, and I can, whatever. The box my chicken came in is really sticky from honey, so I'm glad I've got 3 napkins and an invisible one. So what we got here, guys? Oh, plus I got a sweet tea, because you can't leave Chick-fil-A without a sweet tea. Alright guys, it's looking pretty good. It's not every day you come to Chick-fil-A and they've got something new. So when they do, you gotta try it. And this one looks good. I'm really looking forward to this. I love pimento cheese. I love jalapenos. And I love Chick-fil-A chicken. And a spicy one, it's gonna be great. How could they go wrong? Let's give it a bite. Of course, we're gonna start with the thin piece and we'll finish with that thick piece at the end. I'm tasting the chicken. Tasting the, a little spice. I'm tasting the, little spice is building. Wow, that's got some kick. That's not even eating jalapeno yet. Not really getting all the pimento cheese yet. I'm getting the spiciness of the chicken. I'm getting the honey. And no jalapenos in that bite, so it's gonna get hotter. That was good. The saltiness, the brininess of the pimento cheese. It's good, I like it. I assume if you like the pimento cheese, but you're not into the spiciness, you could probably say, hey, hold the jalapenos. Chick-fil-A chicken is always, it's always the best, you know? You can't go wrong. When you only make chicken, you can't screw that up. And if you've been at Chick-fil-A before, there's always a big line. It always goes quickly. The service is always great. It's always good. I mean, it's Chick-fil-A. So right here, this chicken is good. It is spicy. The biggest flavors are the chicken and the honey, and the burn from the spice. That taste right there is just the pimento. It's very mild. It's cheesy. A little cheddary. A little briny. Briny means salt in Spanish. It's good. It's getting better, man. That bite was buttery. Another good savory word, buttery. Oh my goodness. This could be the perfect sandwich. This meal was $16.74 with the medium mac and cheese, the medium sweet tea, and this chicken sandwich. So a little on the premium side, but it's not like you go to Burger King and you spend $16 and it's disappointing. It's expensive, but you're getting a premium chicken sandwich. Alexa, what is a pimento?
A pimento is a variety of large, red, heart-shaped chili pepper that measures 3 to 4 in long and 2 to 3 in wide. Pimientos can have various colors including yellow, green, red, and maroon.
So pimento is a type of a pepper. I thought a pimento was just a little red thing inside of a green olive. And it probably is. Probably just a pepper. But I think it's a pickled pepper that Peter pecked. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Whatever. My straw is attached to my cup. It said, I love that the estimated time was like 9 minutes, and it showed up in like 3 minutes. So. My fingers are so sticky right now. Just want to lick them. Cheese ball. Oh, okay. Cheese ball. Oh, there's a cheese ball in it. There was a cheese ball. Never got mac and cheese from Chick-fil-A before. Not as good as Panera. Panera's got the best mac and cheese. KFC's got the worst. And this is somewhere in the middle. If you like KFC, you'll love this. If you love Panera, you'll say, it's all right. This could use some hot sauce. Some jalapenos would make this really good. Little cheese ball there. As you can see, though, it is creamy. It's good. It's good. Just not as good as Panera. Last bite, guys. Wow, that was a treat. That was a really good meal, guys. I would definitely get that sandwich again. Let's cross our fingers that remains on the menu from here on out. Now imagine that. One sandwich right there with bacon on it. That would be something else. And I think I might try it again with bacon next time. I'm sure they'll give me the option, right? It's got to be there. How much minutes is this video? I'm gonna let you guys go now. My fingers are really sticky. That honey must have been the real deal. It's really sticky. Yep, that's honey. That's finger licking good. Oh, that's not finger looking good. I can't say that. That's not chicken. This ain't KFC. It's really good. Yeah. No, it is. But thank you guys for watching. I love you. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.